Hello guys, this is Arjun and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Science Howlers. So, I just came for a little walk and when I saw the sun, it was a little bit orangish. Why is it so? Here comes my channel, The Science Howlers. So today we are going to study about scattering of light. Now scattering of light, I have made a video on it which you can see in my YouTube channel, as well as I am going to make a playlist of part 1 and part 2. This is the part 2 and the previous was part 1, and you can see the I button here. You can also find that video in this I button by clicking it. So wait, before starting our today's video, the background isn't nice. So let's change the background first. Okay, so the background has now changed. Now I would be telling you about scattering of light. Now scattering of light, I would be telling you in a brief form so that you can get a little bit knowledge about it. And if you want to learn in a detailed form, then you can watch my earlier video. Now scattering of light is basically when the light produced by the sun, which has 7 colors, hits the particles of the Earth's atmosphere, and then the particles scatters that light everywhere. Now you would be thinking that why not the sun appears purple, blue, etc. This is because the tilt between our eyes, the earth and the sun. Now you would be thinking, what? Tilt. What is the relation between tilt? It should be related to something wavelength, as I explained you in the earlier video. Yes, wavelength is also one reason, but the tilt is a major reason, because when there is a tilt, the red and yellow who have the biggest wavelength, they travel more faster than the other colors, and i.e. they first hits the particles and scatters everywhere. That's why we are able to see the reddish, orangish, yellowish color at the sunrise as well as the sunset. Now, as you can see the wavelength chart, as I said, the red and yellow are having more wavelength. That's why we are able to see reddish yellow sun. But during the day we are able to see yellow sun because there is no tilt. There are different type of angles, and at this point the colors have a same particular speed like others, so we are able to see a particular color which is whitish yellow. And if you have ever visited Kanyakumari, it is the most beautiful place to see sunset and sunrise. Now most of the time the sun is near horizon, and at the southernmost tip of Kanyakumari it is a vast ocean. That's why we are also able to see a complete sunset, a complete sunrise without any obstacle between it, because in the cities like Mumbai there are big skyscrapers and we are not able to see it clearly. Now I would be showing a picture. I hope you would like it. Let's see. Oh wow, such a beautiful sunrise it is, right? I literally love these type of sunrises. And now it's time for activity time. So you would be very much excited for today's experiment. For today you are going to need a normal phone like this one mobile. Actually we have to use only its flashlight. Then you are going to need 2 glue sticks for this experiment. So let's start our today's experiment. Now we will on the flashlight. As you can see, it is on. Now we will on the off the light. Sorry guys, we will off the lights. Here we have a glue stick. We will put over it. Now as you can see the yellowish color on the top of it. If we will put one more glue stick over it, you will be able to see reddish color on the top of it. Now we will see the explanation about it. Okay, so now it's time for explanation about the experiment we did. Now as we know that the red and yellow light travels more faster than the other colors. That's why red and yellow or orange traveled more faster than other colors, and that's why we could see the red tip on the glue stick. Guys, this was the end of the video. If you like our video, please like it, share it, and do subscribe it. And if you don't know how to do it, need not to worry. Here it is. Please like our video by pressing the thumbs up. Guys, also please subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe and hitting the bell icon and setting it on all notification, and also share this video to everyone so that you can spread this knowledge, and this will give us some encouragement to make further videos which will be very much interesting and entertaining for you all. Also guys, please go and send me a friend request of my Facebook ID, which is down in the description. You can send me a friend request, and there would be many fun activities like riddles, questions, and it would be much fun solving them. So you can go and just send me a friend request. This is what you have to just do. You can also send me a mail, and the link, my Gmail address is provided in the description. You can go and send me anything you want. If you want to send me some suggestion or any doubt, anything you can send, and as well as you can send me in the comments. So we will meet each other in the next video, which will be launched on Saturday 5 p.m. So stay tuned at that time to take the full advantage. Bye bye guys. Take care of yourself.